Hello, everyone, and welcome to my week 5 discussion. I'm going to be talking about discovering new functions. So, this week we were tasked to pick a new function from Excel that we haven't used thus far in the class and apply it to a set of data. So, I'm going to be applying the round up function to my starting inventory set of data. And the way I'm going to do that is we are going to start here with F2, and I'm going to type in rounded cost because that is what I'm going to be doing with this data set. And in order to start this round up function, we are going to type in equals. We're going to do round up parenthesis. And I want to round this column E here, so I'm going to do cell E3. And now I don't want any digits. I just want a whole dollar amount. So I'm going to type in 0 and finish that off with a parenthesis. And it rounds it. And I'm just going to drag this function all the way down to copy that on there. We'll do the same here. Do the same here. And we can just drag it all the way down. And then I'm going to go in and delete these extra cells that filled in with the formula of the roundup. Delete that and delete that. Okay. So this is how you apply the roundup function to a set of data. And personally, I chose this function because in my personal life, I have my own Excel sheet where I go in and I maneuver how to pay my bills. So I have two columns and they say bills that are paid, bills that are not paid, and I put the dollar amounts next to them. But I'm the type of person who likes to be safe. So if let's say, okay, this, I don't know, box of knives that I need to buy for my house. Um let's say that, okay, it might be 154, okay? Or it can be 145. You'd probably want to have that top dollar amount just to make sure that, you cover yourself and can afford it. So that's why I like to use the roundup function. And the same would apply here. Like, let's say, I don't know, this food storage lid, sometimes it can be $7.30, or sometimes it can be just $7. So you round up, it can improve you having, those funds that you need. I think that it helps you to make better decisions. Like I use it in my personal life because it just gives you that room to wiggle through of, okay, even if I stay left over with $2, I'd rather be $2 more or less than better than $2 short of my purchase. Um so that's why I like using the roundup function whenever I can. Um Whenever it applies. And I think it applies in this because it's just easier to have a total cost. It's better for the eye to look at, okay, $172 flat rather than saying, okay, I need $171 with 55 cents. Um so yeah, this is how I use the round up function on an Excel datasheet. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned how to use the round up function. Have a good day.